Now, question number 26. If three successive coefficient in expansion of 1 plus x to the power n be 45, 120 and 210, then find n. Let three successive coefficient means consecutive coefficient in the expansion of 1 plus x to the power n appears in r minus 1th term, rth term and r plus 1th term. Then coefficient of r minus 1th term in the expansion of 1 plus x to the power n is, by the formula we have NCR, and the value of r is r minus 1 can be written as r minus 2 plus 1. Then the value of r is r minus 2. Similarly, and this value is equal to 45, first coefficient, equation 1. Similarly, coefficient of rth term in the expansion of 1 plus x to the power n is NC, and the value of rth term can be written as r minus 1 plus 1. Then value of r is r minus 1, and this term is equal to 120. Third, one-th term in the expansion of 1 plus x to the power n is NCR. Then the value of NCR is 210, and it is our third equation. Now we have to find the value of n. For it, we firstly divide 1 by 2. Equation 1 divided by equation 2. We have NC r minus 2 by NC r minus 1 equal 45 by 120. Open the formula. Factorial n factorial r minus 2 n minus r plus 2 n minus r factorial n factorial r minus 1 and n minus r plus 1 equal 45 by 120 can be written as 3/8 15x. Then it is r minus 1 n minus r plus 1 to factorial n by factorial n r minus 2 n minus r plus 2 equal 3/8. Factorial n cancel out. Now r minus 1, we know that factorial n equal factorial n minus 1. Factorial n equal n factorial n minus 1. Then factorial r minus 1, if we take r minus 1 out, then it decreases by 1, r minus 2 and n minus r plus 1. Now if n minus r plus 2, then it is also decreased by 1, means n minus r 2 minus 1 means 1 equal 3/8. R minus 2 cancel out, n minus r plus 1 cancel out, and we have r minus 1 upon n minus r plus 2, r minus 1 upon n minus r plus 2 equal 3/8. It is our fourth equation. R minus 1 upon n minus r plus 2, it is our fourth equation. And when we divide second by third, means NC r minus 1 NCR equal 120 by 210. Then factorial n, factorial r minus 1, n minus r plus 1 by factorial n, factorial r, n minus r equal 4/7. Factorial n cancel out, we have factorial r, n minus r by r minus 1, n minus r plus 1 equal 4/7. Now factorial r can be written as r factorial r minus 1 and factorial n minus r plus 1 can be written as n minus r plus 1 and factorial n minus r, means it is decreased by 1. R minus 1 cancel out, n minus r cancel out, cross multiply, we have 7r equal 4n minus 4r plus 4, then 4n minus 11r plus 4 equal 0. It is equation number 5. And equation 4 can be written as equation 4, r minus 1 upon n minus r plus 2 equal 3 by 8. It can be written as 8r minus 8 equal 3n minus 3r plus 6. Then 3n minus 11r 14 equal 0. It is equation number 4. Means we cross multiply equation number 4, means 8r minus 8 equal 3nr minus 3r plus 6. Then we obtain the equation 3n minus 11r plus 14 equal 0, and solve fifth and fourth equation. We have subtract these equations, we get minus n 10 and the value of n is 10, and it is answer.